want to share my better result with another coil. So this is the input and I will measure the voltage. The yellow is the voltage of the input, 1.6 volts. The green is the current. The current is here at the output. Now I will measure the current of the input. So this is the meter. The current of the input is 17.8 milliamps. Now I will measure the current of the output. Now I will measure the current of the input. This is of the output. This is the output. Let's see. 19.3. So now I will measure the voltage of the output. So the oscilloscope is at the output now, and the voltage is about 6.5 peak. RMS. This is RMS. The peak is 21 volts. The green is the current. So let's make the calculation. So this is the calculation I made. The current was 70.89 milliamps. The voltage, this is the input, 1.6. This make 28.64 milliwatts. Let's see now the output. The output was 90.3 milliamps and the voltage 6.5. So we have 125.54 milliwatts. Comparing to the input, this is 4 times more. 4 times more output from the signal generator only. We can make a conclusion. If you wanna know how I made this, you can go to my Patreon page. There will be a video with details how I made this. Thank you for supporting me.